How's everybody doing? Tinkering with Harleys. First, I want to thank those of you who have subscribed, and if you watch these videos, by all means, please subscribe. Well, it's been a couple of weeks since I did my last video. Been busy helping some friends get on to Sturgis, because Sturgis is starting in another 2 days. They're already up there. They're running Beartooth Pass today. And now we're working back on the frame again, which you see behind me. And I'm going to show you what I've done to it. I had a lot of work to do to it. I'm still not done with it. I'm still cleaning it up. But I'll show you what I've done so far. Here's what I've done so far. I got the upper and lower cups cleaned out. They were just a mess. Took and had to clean out the fork lock and reinstall the fork lock. Had to retap the grease fitting. I did get the powder coating off the serial numbers, and I actually used Permatex gasket remover to get them off. It's a slow process, but you can still see the numbers. I may have to go down to motor vehicle and get another strip for it, but you can see the numbers, so that worked out pretty good. So, and we had to clean all this out where the motor mount bolts go, and over in here where the shocks are going to go. So this has kept me real busy. Had to clean out where the pivot bolt goes through, and I'll show you how I did it. So the powder coating got in all of them. Some of them it was so thick I had to take a drill and drill some of the stuff out. But after I did that, all these bolt holes all have to be retapped so you get a good thread on them. You have this. This is called a pitch gauge, or a thread pitch gauge, and as you can see, there's teeth in there. Now, you match these teeth up to the threads, and that way you know what tap to use. And you know, whether it's 1/4 by 20 or 3/8 by 16, 7/16 by 14, because these frames all have different size holes on them. So that's what we had to do. This frame has 23 holes that had to be retapped. Now you can see, I hope you can see at any rate, all three of these holes are different sizes. So I had to do this with each of these holes. Now this one here is bigger. So what you do is you take this, and this happens to be a 16 thread per inch, but I didn't know that until I got this in there. And what you do is you put it in there like that until it matches up with the teeth. I don't know if you can see that or not, but when the threads line up with the teeth, that tells you what size tap you can use. It's easier on bolt, but on bolt holes like this, it's a little bit harder, so you got to be extra diligent when you do that. And then once you've got the right size, and that hole there is that hole there is 3/8 by 16. So that's 16 threads per inch. So, and that's what we use. We use this tap right here to tap that one out. But each one of these has to be done, or was done, and it's a little time consuming, especially when you have to clean all the holes out. Now I have to do the other side, but I figured I'd just give you a little heads up, and if anybody's undertaking anything like this, this is the type of thing that you have to do. So I hope this helps somebody, and I I hope everybody enjoys the video, and thank you all for watching, and until next time, everybody be safe out there.